Hobbies.com, the tennis social network. http://www.hobbies.com. Tennis social network. Hobbies.com has launched a stunning new version of its tennis network that is causing a major stir in the online tennis community. There are several tennis social networks that exist online, many of which are nothing but advanced forums. Hobbies.com by comparison takes tennis networking to a completely new level of sophistication. The way the website is structured, it will cater for every imaginable sport or hobby. The site contains over 700 different sport and hobby networks. So if you're interested in tennis, golf, and stamp collecting, you will get a dedicated space for that hobby on Hobbies.com. The benefits and features of this tennis network are revolutionary. Every member will receive the following benefits. Point 1. A personal tennis profile page containing all their tennis photos, videos, and other tennis-specific content. Point 2. Tennis news feeds to keep them up to date with everything happening in the world of tennis. Point 3. Tennis video lessons that provide tennis instruction, guaranteed to increase their skill level. Point 4. Tennis article and tips from some of the top tennis coaches online. Point 5. Tennis equipment reviews to help make more informed buying decisions. Point 6. Tennis forum to network with like-minded tennis players worldwide. Point 7. Tennis web store to buy and sell tennis equipment. And much more. Who is Hobbies.com suitable for? Hobbies.com is suitable for anybody with any specific hobby of interest. If you play tennis, or enjoy spectating at tennis matches, then Hobbies will cater for you both. If you are looking for online video lessons and tips to improve your tennis game, then Hobbies is the #1 place online to get valuable tennis coaching. If you want to meet tennis enthusiasts in a tennis community that is far more advanced than a boring forum, then Hobbies is the perfect place for you. What Hobbies.com is not. Hobbies.com is not a general social network such as Facebook or Twitter. It is a highly focused social network that is dedicated to sports and hobbies. It is not a glorified forum or general online meeting place. It is a serious network for serious tennis enthusiasts. What age group is Hobbies focused at? Hobbies.com is focused by hobby, not by age. There are people on the website from age 16 to 75. We have found that our younger and older members contribute differently to the community, and both add serious value to what the site has to offer. What is the cost of joining Hobbies.com? Hobbies.com is 100% free. It will never cost you a single cent. As you can imagine, it costs a lot to keep such a powerful service online. We generate sufficient revenue from advertising to sustain the site. However, we keep advertising to a minimum on the site. You will never be exposed to an ad that is likely not to interest you. I'm joined Facebook, Twitter and several other sites, so why join Hobbies? Hobbies is not a general social network, nor is it competing with Facebook, Twitter, or any other social network. Hobbies is a unique service that focuses exclusively on 700 different sports and hobbies. If you are looking for a service that connects you with like-minded people worldwide, then Hobbies is the most powerful website for connecting you. How do I join? Simply visit http://www.hobbies.com and click on the Join Now button. You will be live online with your dedicated hobby profile within minutes. A whole new world of opportunity and enjoyment awaits you there. Hobbies.com, the tennis and hobby social network. Join today at http://www.hobbies.com.